Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel again. This video is in continuation with the older video which talks about what is new in Visual Studio 2019. So let's talk about the features directly. The first feature is export and import installation setting. So let's talk about it. For this, let's go to the Visual Studio installer. So installer is something which tells you what all different versions of Visual Studio are installed at your end. So in my machine, there are two versions, Visual Studio Professional 2017 and Visual Studio Professional 2019. So what all components I have installed in 17? Uh, Click on modify and then you see the checkbox I have ticked. So these are the components which I have installed. I cannot install all the components because they are of no use to me. For example, I am not interested in game development with Unity, so I did not install it because of course this takes size to install. If I'll select this, then the total space required will go up to 7.51 GB, so I to install it. So now when I installed 2019, I wanted to have the same workload, same component which was there in 2017. So how to do so? With Visual Studio 2019, you have this facility. Click on More and then click on Export Configuration. Then you can review the details. So all the workloads, all the components which is there with 17, you can export it to a file. This exported successfully, and then you can click on More here in 19 and then you can import the configuration. So this is the way, and let's go to the slide again. With the next video we will talk about UI update, new start window and automatic updates. This is it with this video. Thank you for watching, and if this has increased your understanding by anyhow, then do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.